Hi, I'm Gabby, and today I'll be explaining the three laws of motion. Newton's first law, the law of inertia, states that an object at rest will stay at rest, and an object in motion will stay in motion unless there's a force applied to it. The first example for the first law, we will use Millie. Alright, so we're gonna see what happens when we throw a ball and the dog catches it. Okay, so here's Millie. Millie. And we're gonna throw her the ball. As you can see, the ball stayed in motion until Millie catched it. The second example of Newton's first law is this glass of water, which will stay at rest until somebody moves it. I applied a force and I moved the glass of water. For my third example of Newton's first law, I'm going to use Millie. And now she is an object at rest. And if I apply force to it, she's in motion. Newton's second law of motion states that force equals mass times acceleration, which means that acceleration is reduced when force acts upon a mass. For my first example of Newton's second law of motion, we'll be using those two balls, and the white one has more mass than the tennis ball, and we will apply the same force, and the lighter one should accelerate more, according to the law. For my second example of Newton's second law, I will be using bottle full of water and an empty bottle, and I will throw them at the air with the same force, and the lighter one should go higher. Yep, worked. For Newton's second law of motion, my third example will be I will be applying different forces to this object, and I will show that if I apply more force, it will have more acceleration than if I apply less force. Okay, so just a little bit of force. Okay, now it should go faster if I apply more force to it. Newton's third law states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. And for my first example, we'll use this trampoline. The force I will apply when jumping will push me back down, and the trampoline will push me back up as a result. The second example for Newton's third law will involve this ball, and I will throw it to the wall, and the force that I will apply to this ball will bounce back. So, okay. My third example for Newton's third law would be the push-up. So, when I do this push-up, I will be applying force to the ground, and as a result, it will be pushing me back. And those were Newton's three laws of motion. Hope you enjoyed it.